Nice one, guys. So basically, it's another one which I want to share with you this evening. It's going to be super easy and super nice. This is going to be a lovely cup of tea. So we're going to mix up a few ingredients which we all have at home and can use. All right, it's a step by step. So we're going to put roughly about a cup of water. All right, into the pot. 1 cup of water. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get some fresh mint. This is some fresh mint I'm using right here. I love mint and I'm always using mint to make my tea. All right, so I'm going to be using a portion of good fresh mint. This is some organic fresh mint which I've been growing, and yeah, I just washed it off, and this is how the mint look. All right, so we're going to make a lovely cup of mint tea from this right here. And now we're going to be getting some rosemary which I've been growing. This is some fresh rosemary. All right, I don't know if you guys love rosemary, but I love rosemary, and I'm always using fresh rosemary all the time when I'm doing certain stuff. So I will just go to the back, cut myself some rosemary, and make myself some rosemary tea. All right, and that is beautiful. All right, looking good. Now, once you do that, then what we're gonna do, we want to get a nice, lovely little piece of a ginger, and that's a great piece of a ginger. Alright, once you get the ginger, also let's get a few cloves and put into the water. And not only that, it won't be taking too long to boil. As you can see, it's a very quick recipe, and you guys definitely can make this at home. Alright, so these are step-by-step recipes. Beautiful. So this is that mix. Alright, so it's rosemary and some mint, cloves, and some fresh ginger. Very lovely recipe. Now you can do the same thing at home, right here. It's beautiful. Alright, and it's very quick to make, simple. So once it boils, I'm going to turn off my cooker. Lovely. So we'll come right over here. We're going to serve up this beautiful cup of tea for you guys to see exactly what's going on. All right, let's go over here. Lovely and nice, so you can see for yourself. That looking good. So we're just gonna pour it off like this. And what you can do, you can drink this in the morning, and also you can drink it at night. To be honest with you, you don't need any lemon. It's better for you to just drink it natural like this right here. Beautiful cup of tea, guys. All right, so stay tuned, and I will definitely give you some more tips and more ideas where you guys can also make at home. Yeah, so please enjoy it, and if you think it's a very lovely recipes, then thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will be seeing you with more recipes and more ideas. All right, this is from Chef Ricardo, healthy side, which I'm giving you some lovely healthy recipes and healthy lifestyle tea at home. Rosemary with some peppermint and some ginger and cloves. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.